Google helped define the internet. But in 2025, search doesn't look like 10 blue links anymore. It looks like this. You type a question, you get a smart, cited answer, no digging, no ads, no SEO fluff. That's Perplexity AI. And it might be the Google killer no one saw coming. Welcome. Here we track the tools and trends shaping the AI-powered world. Today, we're looking at a rising star in the world of search, Perplexity AI. With a minimalist interface and an AI engine under the hood, Perplexity is giving users answers, not just results, and it's backed by some of the biggest names in tech. But what is it? How does it work? And should Google be worried? Let's find out. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that combines a chatbot interface, live web results, source citations, fast, natural language answers. Think of it as ChatGPT plus Google plus Wikipedia, minus the noise. You ask a question like, what's the latest research on sleep and memory retention? And it responds with a short, well-written summary, inline links to the exact papers or articles it referenced, suggested follow-up question-related topics, all contextually relevant. It's available on desktop, mobile, and even via browser extensions, and growing fast. Under the hood, Perplexity combines 1. Large language models, including GPT-4 and Claude. 2. Real-time web search APIs, for up-to-date results. 3. Proprietary ranking logic, to find the best sources. 4. Citation engine, to link directly to evidence. 5. Query refinement tools, to guide user follow-up. And with Perplexity Pro, users can choose the LLM that powers their results, including open-source models. Why it's gaining so much attention? Perplexity is quietly building massive buzz. Why? 1. Real answers. Not SEO bait. It avoids the trap of keyword-stuffed blogs and affiliate links. 2. Trust through citations. You can click and verify every source. No more AI hallucination mystery. 3. Fast and ad-free. The interface is minimal, clean, and, unlike Google, completely ad-free, for now. 4. Personalized, but transparent. You can create threads, teach it your preferences, and even track query history. 5. Backed by heavyweights. Perplexity is funded by investors from OpenAI, NEA, Jeff Bezos, and NVIDIA. In short, it's clean, fast, and smart, 3 things Google hasn't been in a while. Perplexity versus Google. Key differences. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. Feature. Result format. Google search list of links. Perplexity AI conversational summary with citations. Ads. Google search everywhere. Perplexity AI none, currently. Source transparency. Google search low. Perplexity AI? High, inline links. Personalization. Google search algorithmic. Perplexity AI user guided, transparent. Follow-up questions. Google search not native. Perplexity AI? Built into the interface. Real-time updates. Google search yes. Perplexity AI also yes. File upload, Pro features. Google search limited. Perplexity AI? Pro plan offers doc search and model switching. Who is using it? Perplexity's user base is growing fast among students and researchers. Summarize recent findings on climate adaptation in Australia. Professionals and marketers. What are 2025 trends in digital marketing for Gen Z? Developers and analysts. Compare PostgreSQL and MongoDB performance in 2025. Everyday users. Best places to visit in Portugal in October. With weather and festivals. And because the results are always cited, it's popular among fact-checkers, journalists, and educators. Limitations and risks. But Perplexity isn't perfect. Here's what to watch out for. Shallow or generalized answers. Some responses can feel like ChatGPT Lite. If the sources are weak, no deep vertical expertise, it may struggle with nuanced medical, legal, or technical advice compared to specialized tools. Data privacy concerns. Like other AI platforms, user queries are used for improvement, unless opted out, not a full replacement. Yet complex searches like shopping comparisons, maps, or image-based queries still favor Google. In short, it's amazing for research and knowledge work, less so for errands and shopping. The bigger picture. What Perplexity signals whether or not it replaces Google. Perplexity marks a shift. From keyword search to conversational exploration, from 10 blue links to real answers, with evidence from ad-driven platforms to user-centric tools. For now, from closed search engines to transparent, adaptable systems, from search to synthesis, and in a world where knowledge is power. That's a big deal. What's next for Perplexity and AI search? Over the next year, expect deeper integration with productivity tools, Notion, Slack, Microsoft 365, premium business tiers for team research workflows, personal AI agents built into search threads, support for multimodal queries, PDFs, images, charts. A possible monetization shift, maybe freemium, maybe sponsored content, new competition from Google Gemini, Apple AI Search, and Meta Llama Index. One thing's for sure, search will never be the same. Perplexity AI isn't just a tool, it's a sign that search is evolving. We're moving from "here's where to look" to "here's what you need to know," and where we got it. Whether it replaces Google or not, it's making the web smarter, faster, and more transparent. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns of today's most powerful AI tools. Drop a comment. Have you tried Perplexity AI, and would you ditch Google for it? And next episode, we're heading into the world of AI for SEO. Is it cheating, or just the new normal?